Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the IBKR app. First, ensure you have the IBKR mobile app installed on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in your device's app store. Once installed, open the application. You'll then see the login screen where you need to input your unique username and password. These are the same credentials you use for the desktop platform. After entering your username and password, the app will prompt you for two-factor authentication. This is a crucial security step. You'll either need to enter a 6-digit code from your IBKR mobile authenticator or a separate authentication app. Alternatively, if you have push notifications enabled, you might simply approve the login request directly on your registered device. This extra layer keeps your account secure. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup during the login process. First, always check your internet connection. A weak signal can prevent access. Next, carefully re-enter your username and password, as a simple typo is a common culprit. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login screen to reset it securely. Remember, account security is paramount. Once successfully logged in, take a moment to explore the app's various features and customize your dashboard to suit your trading needs. For future logins, consider enabling biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, for a faster and highly secure experience. Finally, for your security, always remember to log out of the application when you are done, especially on shared devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.